Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I want to showcase a truck that we just finished up real quick here for that excavating company in Ohio. Can you see what it is? Old Peterbilt Service truck. Pair of amber white cannons in the headlights. En-roads, SoundOff signal, En-roads, 24-inch dual color amber white mini bar. Pair of SoundOff signal 4x2s in amber white. Our backup camera. There's that En-roads up there. We also did some reflective tapes on the steps here. There's the other 4x2. And then I'll take you in the cab and show you what we did. Big shout out to Marucci and Gaffney Excavating in Youngstown, Ohio for their continued business. Great guys to work with. Major shout out to Bob, who is the pilot of this truck, and Greg, the shop manager. Real great guy. Greg actually is the driver of that F-250 we just put the 17-inch En-roads bar on. All right guys, I apologize for the shaking around, but so this mechanic didn't like the way the other mechanics' trucks were set up with the monitor up here on the dashboard because it creates a blind spot. So we put it on this articulating side box mount. Now luckily his battery box is underneath that passenger seat, which worked out great. Gave us a great platform to do a side mount articulating arm. And we have a zone defense 9-inch monitor. This is just a single camera system, but our zone defense systems can do front camera, rear camera, and side cameras. Also, there is a DVR option that you can get to. We opted for the extended 5-year warranty for all the zone defense equipment, so that covers their monitor, the camera, which has a microphone on it, so not only when he's backing his truck up can he see what's going on back there, but he can hear what's going on. So the mini bar we just tied into the light bar switch that came with the factory truck. Now I'll tell you guys, this truck is very expensive. It is a Peterbilt and it is highly computerized, so we opted not to cut into that computerized box there for our power for our strobes. So what we did was we just gave him a real quick dedicated toggle down here with a little LED on it so he knows when his strobes are on. This arm is really nice. He can push this out of the way, he can swing it around, he can move the monitor around as he wishes. So yeah, how about we jump out of here and check out some lights. Well, there's that 24-inch En-roads firing away super bright. And there's those Canon hideaways in a dual color. You can see that light bar on the roof. Shaking the camera around like crazy. Yeah, Bob, I think it turned out good. So let's scoot around to the back. We'll check out these 4x2s. And wow, are those things bright. Oh.
Beacon's right there. That beacon's brighter than that last one. Oh, I like that.
Bob, the mechanic that drives this truck, wasn't real sure whether he wanted some grill lights in the front there, so we added a little cable just in case he decides in the future that he wants to add some grill lights. Now, of course, they're used to running Echo and them goofy strobe packs in the headlights, so he was saying, well, if they burn out, I'll just use those wires and put some grill lights in it. I said, these aren't going to burn out, and they're warranted. We'll come back and get you fixed if they die. Well, guys, that's it for the update. Another install, customer delivery. Give us a call, 412-708-6732. Be safe out there. Alright guys, so we're in the cab now. Got everything back together. As you can see, the passenger seat is back in, covering the battery box. And it kind of gives you an idea of the operator's view. Did put the sun visor shield on the 9-inch monitor. As you can see, it just snaps right into place. And there's a little remote control that controls the system remotely. So yeah, there's the finished product. If this is something that you need built or installed, trust the experts. 412 PSE Kustomz out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Service in the tri-state area. Give us a call. Till next time, guys, be safe out there.